I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen. And praise the Lord, today is Resurrection Sunday, and we're going to be sharing some thoughts, some cooking, and definitely some love. I pray that each of you are blessed, that you're well, and that you're staying at home. I pray that you are continuing to shine your light, whether it's through your heart or you have put that light in your window so that you can share your light with the rest of the world. You know, while we know who's in control and we know how this story ends, it doesn't say that the time that we're traveling is going to be easy. So we stand in faith, we stand with hope, and we know without a doubt that our God lives. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, I hope that you will come back. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that every time I upload, you'll be a part of the family. Thank you to those of you who are new subscribers, because I so enjoy talking with you, commenting with you, and we've got a lot of days ahead. I'm going to do a few things that won't require shopping, because right now we need to stay in our homes no matter where we are, no matter how, some states are only experiencing some problems with the virus, and where other states are inundated with the virus. We want to keep our families safe. So my last word to you is to know that here in this kitchen, we work hard, we love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. Stay tuned.
I decided that we were going to include in this video actually multiple days, because this is Easter weekend, and so we wanted to celebrate the entire weekend and to take you through some of the things that we're going to do. So tonight we're preparing shrimp and grits, and we're preparing it Charleston style, which is more of a brown gravy rather than a clear or white gravy. I've included the link below for the recipe because this particular recipe is by the Genius Kitchen, and I don't want to take any credit for it. It came from them, and oh my goodness, with the exception of adding a few extra pepperoncinos, it is absolutely delicious. So you just try this out. The ingredients are easy. The information's right there on the page. So the first thing that I did was to add in all the vegetables that needed to be cooked and the liquid. So I'm just kind of going over a little bit of what I've done. So I'm showing you the end of what I did. So all the juices are in this skillet. I have not put the shrimp in just yet, but I did add in about 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and that Worcestershire sauce really kicks up the flavor of the shrimp and grits. It's really what it needs. So I'm just giving it a good stir. The shrimp are in there. Yes, they are. I had put them in, and you'll see the grits off to the side. So we're going to take a moment so that you can see both. The grits have cooked. You notice I have a small pot of grits. Now let me give you a tip. When you make your grits, if you do what I did the grits early, and you're going to want to make sure that they are very liquidy, because more or less you're going to have to add a little extra water into it so that it will continue to break down, because otherwise grits have a tendency to tighten up and they will be like it will be like bricks. So I'm just kind of wiping the stove down, and I'm going to bring everything up to temperature, make sure it's good and hot and ready to serve. So my grits are ready. I had already put in the extra liquid. The shrimp mixture is ready. It's got chorizo. It has green and red and yellow peppers in it. It has onions and all kinds of good things. I'm telling you, it's delicious. And it has a little bit of tomato even in it. So you're going to find that when you put this together, oh my goodness, it is going to be so tasty. So get ready. Now, there we've got it. It's bubbling. And I want this liquid to really cook down just a little bit. Now, obviously, I do not want to take away all of the gravy. The gravy is what's going to make this dish, so that when you put the grits in the bottom of your bowl, and then you're going to put in a couple of scoops of the mixture, and I'm just kind of tasting on that spoon. I know, really shouldn't do it, but the spoon's going to go off to the side, and it's hot and it's ready to go. So we're going to stop and we're going to put our dinner together. All right, I've got my grits in the bowl. I have my shrimp mixture in the bowl, and now I am just going to dress it up with some chopped tomatoes and some spring onions. Does that not look scrumptious? Absolutely scrumptious. And there's the big guy's plate. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And of course there must be dessert. These cookies are to die for. They have been on the internet as the most wanted item of the month. They are peanut butter cookies, and they're made with basically 4 ingredients. Oh my goodness, it's so easy. Just you wait. Oh yeah, baby. These cookies are calling your name. They smell good. You see, I've already cheated. I took one off the pan and it broke. Now, I'll give you all the gory details. You've got what goes into them. And what I suggest is that you let them sit on this pan until they get completely cool. And once they do that, they'll come off very easily. But I tried to move them while they were still a little warm. And so you can see that they're kind of smushing up a little bit. So don't do that. Let them cool. So there's those that cooled, and yummy. They're good.